Welcome to IQBot Step-by-Step Video Tutorial. This video will teach you how to build your own IQBot. It will walk you through bot training and show you how easy it is to use cognitive automation. What is cognitive automation? Oxford Dictionary defines cognition as the mental process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. Cognitive automation allows you to train computer systems to autonomously capture and understand unstructured information within the known domain and to convert it into actionable data. Cognitive IQBot is designed to extract unstructured data from documents and turn it into structured form. Then this structured data is used by robotic process automation, or RPA technology, for end-to-end automation of various business processes. Before proceeding further, please check the requirements on the screen. Please feel free to pause video if you need time to catch up. You will need your IQBot trial link as well as your login and password information, which you have received in the registration email. Please check your spam folder in case you cannot find the email. IQBot leverages machine learning for continuous enhancement via user training. We start IQBot training by creating a learning instance. Learning instance defines the type of documents you need to process, the language of documents, and the list of data fields you want to capture from each document. For IQBot trial, you may either use sample documents provided or use your own documents. For this video, we are using sample English invoices provided with the trial. You may download them by clicking on Download Sample Documents button, then saving and unpacking the zip file to your desktop. Now define the name of new learning instance. Select domain and language. In the trial version of IQBot, we have limited the number of available domains and languages. However, in the production system, they are all available. We also keep adding new domains and new languages to IQBot. Find and upload training documents you have prepared. Please note that the trial version allows uploading only 10 one-page training documents. Please select which fields you want to extract and click on Create Instance and Analyze button. Now, IQBot automatically analyzes documents and groups them based on similar content, structure, and layout. It will also perform an initial field mapping based on existing knowledge from the pre-trained domain. When the first document is processed, we can start reviewing results of the initial mapping and train IQBot by making corrections. There are 3 sections on this training screen. 1. List of fields on the left. 2. Field label, value and parameters for each selected field in the middle. 3. Document view on the right. Please select each field on the left and make sure that its label and value from the middle section are correctly identified and recognized on the document in the right section of the screen. In addition to individual fields, IQBot can also capture data from tables. Please check the mapping for table columns. We need to make sure that each column header has a correct corresponding label. The line item data we can check later as part of the extraction results preview. Please set End of Table Indicator, which tells IQBot that anything in the table that comes after it will not be considered as a line item. We have completed the training for this document, and now we'll review the extraction results by clicking on the See Extraction Results button. Here we can review the extracted fields as well as table line items on the left and compare them to the document on the right. After finishing review of this document, we can review other documents in this group. Since we grouped together similar documents, IQBot trains on one document and then can process other documents in the group the same way. Please follow the instructions on the screen to complete the review. For each next document, please verify all the fields and table line items. This group consists of 9 documents, and you are almost done. You may also download extracted data from a particular document to CSV file. Please follow instructions on the screen. Now you can review data in CSV file. Think about what we have done. We converted unstructured data from the invoice document to a well-structured data table. Now this data could be used by RPA bots for automating accounts payable process. After finishing review of all the documents in this group, select Back to Training and then select Save and Go to the next group. Please follow the instructions on the screen to complete training and review for the next group. When training is done, you preview the results. Everything is correct, so you can save this group training as well. Congratulations! You have completed IQBot's trial. At this point, you may either go back and review your learning instance, or you may continue your cognitive automation journey by experiencing the full production version of IQBot. Click on Request Upgrade button. Our team will reach out to you and address your specific needs. Thank you for watching this video.